Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're stretching it out for 2025 with Eli's Stretching It Out Challenge, DATR. Stretching it out with SK rifle match, my CZ457 with the IBI barrel, and Discovery ED PRS 525. So let's get right into it. Awesome conditions today. Oh, I guess I can't use that mag with this little thing on there. Good to know. Got our chronograph ready to take some data in for us. Let's get comfortable and straight behind the rifle. Get our natural point of aim. Everything looks pretty good. And let's start with the sighter target. We got 5 shots for sighters. And then we'll go shoot our next 2 targets for points. Here we go. Not looking very good here. All right, now let's go for points. Uh-oh. Extraction issue. These are the new full quartz and extractors, but apparently they don't work either. So probably gonna swap back to the stock extractors. What's going on here? This is the MIG. And we'll be back in action. But for now, I'm not doing it today. Let's get our 2 5-shot groups at 100 yards. Here we go. Yeah, 3 in 1 hole, and we had 2 that flew away. Not gonna complain, that's pretty good. Actually, here, 5 rounds in this mag, and I'm just gonna go for it. Here we go. A little bit of wind from right to left. Lost the last one. The other 2 are probably within a ½ inch. So, oh, wait a minute. Is that 5 shots? I think it was. Huh, why do I have 1 shot in here? I just don't know. Well, there you have it, guys. Not too bad. Not the greatest, but it is what it is. So let's go have a look at that target, get back to it. So here we have our target for the first 5-shot group that counts, 0.79 inches, which is 0.755 MOA, 3/4 MOA. I'm happy with that. Second 5-shot group, 0.78 inches or 0.741 MOA. Super happy with that. And once again, the CZ457 did not let me down. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. If you haven't already checked out Eli's website, DATR, go check it out. It's a great time, great community, and we all enjoy shooting these little challenges he puts up. So go show him some love. Go check out his website. shoot these challenges, make the videos, and we'll see you all next time. Bye for now, guys. Take care.